Happy Monday, folks, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. If you're looking for your next support role, you are definitely in the right place. I've got some new job leads you don't want to miss, so make sure you stay until the end because your next opportunity could be the one that we cover next. Our first role is coming from Cardinal Health as a representative to Customer Care Order Placement Team. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. For this role, new hire training will take place Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is mandatory. Once training has been completed, you'll be assigned a shift from 8 a.m. between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which may involve some Saturdays as well. So what you'll do in this role, you will handle about 60 to 80 calls per day. You'll place and process medical supply orders and reorders. You will help order status, answer questions for insurance discrepancies and complaints. You will also research issues and provide solutions. You will also navigate multiple computer systems while assisting customers, as well as collect information for insurance billing and payments when needed. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. 2 to 4 years of high-volume call center experience is preferred. Customer service experience, healthcare experience is a plus. They want you to have strong communication, listening, and phone skills, and you must be comfortable working with multiple systems and meeting call center metrics. For this role, the pay does start at $15 ending at $18, which all depends on your location and experience. The application is due to close on August the 21st, so if you are interested, you must get your application in as soon as possible. So this is a great option for experienced customer service or call center professionals who want a fully remote healthcare support role. So if you're interested in this position with Cardinal Health, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from SeatGeek as a customer service event expert. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So for this role, the shift will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or if you're looking for that evening shift, it's 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you will do in this position, you will assist customers through phone, email, and chat. You will resolve ticketing and event-related issues. You will also handle a high volume of customer contacts. You'll use tools like Zendesk, TalkDesk, and Slack, and you'll also track performance metrics and customer feedback. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. They would like to see customer service experience in a high-volume tech environment. That is a plus, it is not required. And they will also like for someone to have strong communication and problem-solving skills. Some perks with this position is that you get a work from home stipend to support your home office setup, which is great. You'll also get an annual subscription to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, so that's no longer coming out of your pocket. The salary for this role is $23 an hour. So if you're interested in the customer service with SeatGeek, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Solera Health as a member engagement representative. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The schedule is Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The pay is $20 an hour, and again, it is fully remote within the United States. So what you would do in this role, you will assist members by phone, email, and live chat. You will help members understand benefits and enroll in health programs, as well as resolve questions, disputes, and escalations. You will verify insurance eligibility and benefits and support the outbound member outreach. You will also document interactions and meet performance goals. For this role, you must have 1 to 2 years of customer service or call center experience. You must have a high school diploma. Healthcare experience is a plus, but it is not required, and they would like to see strong communication and computer skills. This is a great remote opportunity for customer service professionals looking to break into that healthcare with paid training, ongoing coaching, and opportunities for career growth. So if you're interested in the member engagement representative, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Cadence Health as an outbound patient enrollment specialist. This is a full-time remote role. So Cadence is a clinical AI company automating the treatment of chronic disease. So what you will do in this role, The hours will be Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern, Central, Mountain, or Pacific time. What you will do, you will make high-volume outbound calls to refer patients, explain the program benefits and enrollment process, as well as complete virtual patient enrollments and schedule follow-up appointments. You will build that rapport and answer patient questions, as well as manage patient information and call pipelines using CRM systems. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 years of sales or customer service experience. You must have experience in a high-volume inbound-outbound call center, and you must be comfortable using AI tools such as Claude or Google Gemini. For this role, the salary does start at $67, ending at $70, which all depends on your location and experience, and you must be based in the United States. So this is a great opportunity for experienced customer service or call center professionals looking to transition into remote healthcare enrollment with competitive pay. So if you're interested in the outbound patient enrollment specialist, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from CareDx as a patient navigation specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role is coordinate mobile blood draws for patients. You will schedule appointments with phlebotomy vendors. You will contact patients for missing information or rescheduling, as well as track cases and update records in Salesforce. You will maintain detailed case notes and provide patient support, as well as escalate clinical or unusual issues when needed. What they would like to see is someone with a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see Salesforce or similar CRM experience, strong communication and organizational skills, and you must be comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. For this role, the pay does start at $24, ending at $27, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a strong option for administrative or customer support professionals who want to move into the healthcare and patient support without requiring that college degree. So if you're interested in the patient navigation specialist with CareDx, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from VSP as an insurance verification representative. This is a full-time remote role. So what you'll do is verify insurance coverage and benefits. You will obtain referrals and treatment authorizations, as well as update patient information and insurance details in the EMR. You'll also enter authorization numbers and billing codes, explain copays, deductibles, and balances to patients, as well as handle patient questions and follow up with insurance companies. You will also reschedule appointments when required authorizations aren't received. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see strong customer service experience, strong communication and multitasking skills, and the ability to handle patient concerns professionally. For this role, the pay does start at $15, ending at $17, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great entry-level option for someone who has that customer service background looking to transition into healthcare administration or insurance verification. So if you're interested in the insurance verification representative with VSP, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from VRC as a release of information specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will process medical records, requests accurately and efficiently. You will verify patient authorization and HIPAA compliance. You will retrieve, upload, and securely release medical records, as well as perform quality checks to prevent privacy breaches. You will also document requests, communication, and exceptions, handle request questions, billing, invoicing tasks, and escalate unusual requests, delays, and security concerns. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have release of information experience, preferred, it is not required, strong attention to detail and organization, and you must have knowledge of medical records, HIPAA, that's a plus, but it is not required as well. The salary for this role starts at $15, ending at $18, which all depends on your location and experience. So again, this is a great entry-level option for people interested in medical records, healthcare administration, and data-focused remote work. This is a non-phone role. So again, if you're interested in the release of information specialist with VRC, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Sirius XM as a retention specialist. For this role, it does pay $18 an hour plus monthly commission. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you'll do in this role, you will handle incoming sales, renewal, retention, and cancellation calls. You will help customers upgrade, downgrade, reactivate, or retain subscriptions, as well as use sales techniques to overcome objections and close sales. You will also build rapport and resolve customer concerns, as well as recommend services, promotions, and solutions. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years of sales experience in a goal-driven environment, strong phone communication and sales skills, and they would like to see contact center experience, which is strongly preferred. It is not required. So for this role, you must be able to work a flexible schedule and you must be legally authorized to work in the U.S. So this is a great opportunity. They do give a $50 internet service reimbursement as well. This is a great role for any experienced customer service or sales professionals who want to work from home while earning commission on top of the $18 an hour. So if you're interested in the retention specialist with Sirius XM, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.